Okay, so we wanted to give you a little update on what we decided to do, which is a little crazy, and a lot of you will think we're crazy, but we think it'll work best for us because we live in this full time. So, as you can see, we are slowly taking out the table. I actually thought that I would love the booth table, but I don't. I think it's way too big for us. It takes up half the floor space, and when you live in something full-time, floor space is everything. And we don't even need the extra bed. Like, our kids just sleep on the bunks, and it just takes up a lot of space. So we are gonna sell that and just use a smaller table with some stools that can just slide under it. And so the issue with the couch, actually there wasn't an issue for me, it was mostly for Nick.
You didn't like the table, I didn't like the couch, they're out of here.
So Nick just doesn't fit on the couches. He's just a little tall, and they're honestly not very comfortable. If you were just going on vacation with your family, like, all these things would be fine. Like, they're fine. But when you live in something full time, if you don't like it, you gotta change it, otherwise you don't want to live in it full time. So we're going to adjust and make things the way we want it. So the couch, we're gonna also take out and put in another couch that will have like a trundle bed on it. So if guests do come, they can sleep there. And it's just, it's a little bit longer, it's just way more comfortable, and it's an actual real couch, not an RV couch. I'm really sad to lose these, but we're gonna try and find a storage solution, because I did have a lot of things in there, and Nick just took everything off. He's slowly getting it off. Here's the rest of it.
There really isn't much to it.
Yeah, that's the rest of it. And we're just gonna sell them on Facebook. So this was all the stuff I had in it. I had some pans and storage dishes, some pots and pans right here. And then tomorrow we are going to go to Ikea, pick out our couch, get some stools, and maybe get some things for the kitchen. I want to get something right here to hang for more storage, and possibly, maybe something for right here too. We're not sure. Alright, so that's what we're doing tonight. My parents just left, so we're all alone here at the property. And we're just gonna hang out here till the weather is terrible. But right now it's awesome. Look at that big strong man working hard. He's so smart, guys. Not many husbands could just disassemble your table when their wife said they wanted it gone.
I know, I'm sexy.
So look at all this floor space, guys. This will all be much more open. What is going on out here? Are you guys ready to come in? Get some showers?
No.
Yeah, you guys are stinky and smelly.
Wow.
You're stinky and smelly.
Wow.
Do you want to come in?
No.
You want to get a bath?
No.
Okay, wait, we gotta take your shoes and socks off, okay? Are you excited?
Alright.
Here we go.
Now open the door. Open it, quick. Good job. Here we are.
Wow.
What do you think?
New kitten and a new fish.
Wow.
Is your big guy? Is your big?
This is pretty cool.
What
What is it, Diz? What do you think? Look at all those lights out there. Do you love it? There's the kitchen. Pretty fancy. Hey! Ah. Can you take your shoes off? Hey, you get back here! Where are you going? What are you doing? Hey! What are you doing? What? I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Hey! You're jumping on that bed! Whoa! Hey, what are you doing? Does your swimsuit still fit? You checking yourself out?
Yeah, I exercise.
You're exercising? Looks pretty good. You're pretty cute. Okay, so today we're staying at the Opryland Resort. So, let me show you outside. Wow, Des. Is that pretty cool? So, this is just outside. They got fountains. And they have lights. Okay, let's go back in.
I told you I love
Yep, so that's where we're staying tonight.
I love it.
And we're just gonna go swimming and have fun, then drive right back to Georgia. Do you miss the trailer? Do you miss it? Do you want to go back to your trailer?
Nope.
No. Desmond. You okay in here? What happened? What's going on? Did you go poo-poo? You okay? Let me see. You want me to fix it? Do you want me to fix it? Do you? So when he goes poop, he always goes and hides, and he's super shy and sweet. This is like the only time he's like nice to me. So I wanted to catch it on camera because I think it's really cute. Oh, hey! Do you want me to change your bum? Where are you going? What are you doing over there? Do you want me to fix it? Alright, let's clean it. My talent is...
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Okay, baby, your turn. Say, my name is Baby. My talent is dancing.